ta, kita, taka. So that's the one that you can play really. You can go to you can go to fourth speed. This one you can go to fifth speed. Normally they play it in the professional mridangist play it in fifth speed. That's how far. This one phrase you can go up to fifth speed on it. But as a beginner you can definitely go to third speed on it. And as a beginner, very soon you can probably go to fourth speed at some point. Within a year, let's say, you should be able to play this at fourth speed.
Now, this is played during interludes. I typically see when the artist has stopped, and they let you play as a mridangist.
Yeah, I mean, it's
during a song we don't typically hear this, but
I mean, in a song
mostly fill in between.
Right I mean, it's not really used for an accompaniment when someone is singing.
That's what I thought.
Right. Except for
we've heard this a lot, but never understood it to mean this phrase.
I mean, because it's kind of dominating and may not support the song. When someone's singing a song, this may not fit with what they're doing.
Right.
So generally when you accompany, you're trying to embellish what they are singing.